Are you taking Praxis Elementary Mathematics Content Knowledge Test 7813 Measurement? If so, then this is the video for you. Hi, my name is Tom, and I am a test prep expert here at study.com and a certified math teacher, and I'm going to walk you through some of the types of problems you may see on the test. So let's get started. Which of the following describes a measurable attribute of a rectangular box? Our answer choices are its color, its volume, its brand, or its shape. So the key concept here is we're talking about measurable. So a measurable would be something we can take a calculation on. 3 of these choices are qualitative. So for example, its color is something that's qualitative and not measurable. Same thing with its brand and its shape. The only choice here that's measurable would be the volume. So the volume of a rectangular box is length times width times height. So the correct answer here would be volume. A pencil is 15 centimeters long and a pen is 12 centimeters long. Which statement accurately compares the lengths of these two objects? All right, so when we're dealing with elementary school students and we're talking about comparing using measurements, we want to first go over the choices that are incorrect so we can see on here and teaching the students that if the quantities are different, they can't have the same length, so we're going to eliminate that. We may get into the concept of twice as long with elementary school students, where it would be one size pencil would be twice as big as the pen, so the pencil would have to be 24 centimeters, so that choice is incorrect. And then we want to get into the concept of the difference between the two measurements. So we would take 15 centimeters minus 12 centimeters, and we would get our answer of 3 centimeters. So the pencil is longer than the pen by 3 centimeters. A teacher wants to measure the height of a classroom door. Which tool would be the most appropriate for this task? So what we want to teach the students is estimating. And the first thing we can eliminate is tools that don't measure height. So the first thing to eliminate would be a thermometer, which would be measuring temperature, and a protractor measures angles. So the question would be, do we want to use a ruler or do we want to use a yardstick? So we want to teach the students that we want to look at what we're trying to measure, so a classroom door. So a ruler would be usually, rulers are 1 foot, so a ruler would be too small of a measurement tool to measure the height of a classroom door, so I'm going to eliminate that. So the best possible choice for measuring the height of a classroom door would be a yardstick. A rectangular garden measures 10 meters in length and 4 meters in width. What is the area of the garden? Is it 40 square meters, 14 square meters, 24 square meters, and 50 square meters? So for our elementary students, we want to introduce the concept of area and the area formula. We want to first know what shape we are dealing with. So we're dealing with a rectangle. So the area formula for a rectangle is length times width. So we look at our given information. We have 10 meters in length, so our length is 10, and we have 4 meters in width, so our width is 4. So in this case here, we're going to multiply the 10 times 4, and we're going to get 40 square meters. So the first choice would be our answer. That concludes our video, Praxis Elementary Mathematics Content Knowledge Test 7813 Measurement. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. And for more practice problems and personalized study plans, don't forget to visit study.com. Thanks for watching.